having a great day in the Lord? I know I am. I am excited. Today I'm going to make spinach artichoke dip. I've got some marinated artichokes that I'm going to chop up. I've got my spinach, and we will be using silken tofu and chickpeas as part of our base. Let's get started. Already squeezed out my frozen spinach. I have chopped up the can of water chestnuts, and now I'm rough cutting the artichoke. If while you're cutting you feel any pieces that are a little bit hard, it would be good to get rid of those. Okay, so these are ready. I just want them rough chopped. Next, I'm going to blend up the chickpeas, make them smooth, and we'll start combining everything. I've opened the tofu up. I'm going to drain off the water and add some of the tofu to the chickpeas. Scrape down the sides of the food processor, and at this point I'm going to add the remainder of the silken tofu. Okay, scrape this down one more time and give it another whirl in the food processor. Next step, put your silken tofu and chickpeas into a larger bowl. Get out all that goodness. Next, we're going to stir in the mix. And the mix says that it may contain milk. I read all of the ingredients and I'm not seeing any milk or whey in it. It may have been processed in a factory that had milk. So stir all that up. Now I'm adding the artichokes, the spinach, and the water chestnuts. This is going to be delicious. It already has a wonderful smell. Got to break up that spinach. I'm going to keep stirring, but now I'm adding that half a cup of the creamy chowo cheese. Not sure how you say that. I'm going to prepare my dish. Now I will put it into my baking dish. At this point, you could chill it and serve it as is, but I want it to be hot and bubbly. So I'm going to cover it and bake it until it's nice and bubbly. The artichoke spinach dip is finished baking, and I'm going to sprinkle some vegan Parmesan cheese on top of it, and then I'll serve it. The moment you've been waiting for. I'm serving it on a scoop. Some people use pumpernickel rye bread. So let's taste it. So delicious. It's nice and hot, crunchy, perfect thing to serve your guests. See you next week.